Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to send money to Mexico with Sendwave. It's really easy. You need to do is open your browser and find or search Sendwave in your browser, and then click this first link that appears here. Then once you open this web page, you have two options. You can download this app to send money through Sendwave. Is really easy. Okay, you only need to create an account and then add a debit card or credit card, and then you can send money uh, to any country, whatever you want, and it's really easy. The second option, you can see how much is the cost to send money to a specific country. In this case is Mexico, and then you're going to type Mexico, and you can see right here, if we send this amount in USD, the person will get this amount in Mexican pesos. Okay, you only have two options: bank account and cash pickup. It's really easy. But if you want send money directly to this person, you need to download the app. It's really easy. You can scan this QR code with your phone and then download the app. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.